Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Bro, where we bring the latest updates on career opportunities, internships, and tech news. So today we have some big news for all BTech IT and CS allied venture students. So the company name is the Swiggy. Oh, already now this is the biggest delivery app, food delivery app. So coming to that, so what's the role and eligibility criteria? I can explain each and everything. Before going to the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Okay. So going to the before going to the topic of this Swiggy information. So that's the job profile is the associate software test engineer. Okay, and what is the process of the eligible criteria, how many process of the application scrutiny, I can explain each and everything. So going to on that, so how we hire. Okay, this is the first point. So going to the first, you apply the link, and then after I provide the application link in the description, and then after they provide the written test, a written or technical round, and then after the personal interview, then after the HR discussion, and this is the final review. So what's the process and how to apply, as what criteria and eligibility criteria, I can explain each and everything. No, go on that. So coming to the point, yeah, first of all, going to the what's the role is the associate software test engineer. So eligibility year is the 0 to 4 years. Experienced candidate can also be apply for this role, and the location is the Bangalore. They clearly mentioned on that. So what is the role? So it's associate software engineer. So job title and the location and the criteria of the 4 years. Okay, tenders, anyone can be apply. So coming to the about the team and role. So I already explained that. So it is a testing role. So blah 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 content of the company. So blah blah blah, it has how many ton watts and water will of this towards the company. Okay, so coming to that, position overview is very important. Are you passionate about the ensure of the flavorless user experience, mobile and web and backend application testing? Okay, this is the process. And Swiggy is seeking dynamic individual joining engagement team. SDH has a SDH Swiggy and their forefront of the application process, and the what will you get done after the job. So first of all, conducting the technical tests of the mobile applications on Android or iOS to ensure seamless performance, and this is the first point. And the next to the perform API testings. Okay, then using like Postman to validate the get and post, that's are the common issues, and and Postman validate backend functionalities, URL checking. So those are the functionalities, and the developing of comprehensive test plans and cases to ensure throughout the test coverage. And the next, coming to the some of the testing tools are there. So Zaira, Postman, and Carlix proxy efficiency testing workflow, and then after demonstrate understanding of SDLC. Okay, workflow of SC. So coming to the STLCS and software testing concepts, and next manage defect life cycles, including the surveillance of the priority assignments. Those are the process. And the next to it, the attention to details in multi-platforms testing scenarios, and collaborate with the cross functionality, execute and validate test cases based on the requirement functionalities. Okay, this is the process. And what qualities are they looking for? So what are the you wrong? Okay, that's coming to that. So solid grasp of test principles. If you know everything, not everything has a pressure. Some of the components we also not learn. So you can also be apply this process, some of the testing principles and the methodologies and the fundamentals of understanding of the HTTP and the REST concepts, and the next of the proficiency in the object oriented programming. Any of the object oriented programming, you already know the most of the testing developers are learn Java, so that's a good thing. So and the next one is the strong analytical skills with knocking of the problem solving. So maybe it's an interview because of it's a leading company, so must you know of the DSA concepts also. Okay, so ability to collaborate with the efficient within a team, and excellent verbal and written communication skills, familiarity with the any of the Selenium and Appium they are asked. So if you have this, very very important, very very important, because of the as a test engineers you are working on these components. Okay, experience in Java, Selenium, and Appium is the advantage of you if you know those components. Okay, and the knowledge of cloud mobile testing tools like Lambda testing and the browser stack is the plus of this component. And they provide the 3 visiting links, so make sure you visit those links also, I can provide in the description. So coming to the first of all is the what's the challenges they provided, and the some of the services and those functionalities, you can challenge those, and then after you can apply. So click on the apply link, so you are redirect to this page. Okay, in this page, so you are simply doing this attach your resume or CV, okay, and then after first name and last name, email address and mobile number, and zip and address, zip means pin code and address, and full name, full address, locations, date of birth and gender, employment details. If you are experienced of the your proficiency, so please clearly mention that what criteria and company, and if you notice period there, so please mention, and current salary and expected salary. Next one is the other key details. I have a necessary permissions authentication of the work in India if you are outside of the country, so those candidates can apply. Demography of services, this is the blah 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 content. So then after agree and apply, this is the process of the apply, and they provided some of the three links. So I show that also what is what, and so it's rendering, please wait. Yeah, so first one is the hiring process. I explained on that, please wait, previously. So this is the apply, written test and personal interview, HR discussion and final review. This is the process of application. If you found this video helpful, please share to your friends, and don't forget to one like, one share, one comment, okay. Sign off, and keep growing, keep coding, keep growth yourself.